Welcome to the Niagara Falls Freedom Jet Dry Tour, where you'll embark on a thrilling adventure through one of nature's most majestic wonders, the Niagara Falls. Our journey begins at 55 River Frontage Rd, where you'll arrive 45 minutes prior to departure for registration, agreements, and a mandatory safety orientation. Once registered, you'll attend a safety orientation to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience for everyone. Now it's time to board your jet boat and prepare for an unforgettable ride. As we glide through the stunning Niagara Gorge, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the river and whirlpool. And the best part? You'll stay completely dry. Feel free to capture memories with your phones and cameras, and don't forget to keep your essentials in small bags provided on board. As our tour comes to an end, we'll return to the docking area where you can retrieve your belongings from complimentary lockers if needed. We hope you will enjoy experiencing the beauty of Niagara Falls with ToNiagara in comfort and style. Until next time, happy travels!